हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग के बारे में। व्हाट इज कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग, एंड बिफोर स्टडिंग अबाउट द कॉस्ट अकाउंटिंग आई would like to tell you about the financial accounting, its background. Then we will come to the cost accounting. इन द बिगनिंग जब अकाउंटिंग स्टार्ट हुई थी, अकाउंटिंग का पर्पस था जस्ट टू रिकॉर्ड द ट्रांजेक्शन, बिकॉज दैट टाइम द बिजनेस वॉज डन एट अ वेरी स्मॉल लेवल. सो what they do, the accountant, what they do, they just do the recording and classification. Like they just perform journal entries and ledger. Later on, with the expansion of businesses, they started preparing profit and loss account to check the results of financial transaction, and they also started preparing balance sheet to check their financial position. But later on it was realized that the financial accounting does not give the complete picture of business financial result and financial position. So they realized that there should be some accounting system which tells about the cost, कि अगर हम कुछ काम कर रहे हैं तो हमारी कॉस्ट कितनी पड़ रही है उस काम को करने के लिए, बिकॉज cost plus profit decides the selling price. So they need some technique or they need some system which tells about how they can compute cost product wise, service wise, cost center wise. Also they need some system for cost control, cost reduction and cost analysis. So this was the background for cost accounting, how cost accounting emerged as a accounting system. So one must be clear about the financial accounting and cost accounting. Financial accounting records the financial aspect of business. Each and every transaction is recorded in the financial accounting. But when we talk about the cost accounting, one important thing is that cost accounting is used only for those business who are engaged in the manufacturing. Means trading concerns are not the user of cost accounting, because trading, what they do, they just buy and sell. But the manufacturer who manufacture the goods, they need to know about the cost of their product. So cost accounting is primarily used for the manufacturer who are engaged in the production, not for the trading concern. Next is the branches of accounting. Initially there was one branch which was prevailing, that was financial accounting. Financial accounting records, classify, summarize financial data or the transaction which are of monetary nature, and the purpose of financial accounting is to find out the profit and loss account, like gross profit, net profit, and also to find out the financial position of a business by preparing balance sheet at the end of each year. But with the expansion of business and with the enlargement of business transaction, there are many techniques which emerged with the time, like cost accounting. Cost accounting, what we do in the cost accounting, we ascertain the cost, that could be material cost, labor cost, overhead cost, total cost, per unit cost. So cost accounting is primarily used for ascertainment of cost, cost computation, cost control, cost recording and cost analysis. Basically what we do in the cost accounting is to focus on the costing aspect. Next, tax accounting. Tax accounting, we do accounting that focus on the taxation of aspects, like what business do and how they record transaction to fill the tax returns. Management accounting, that accounting, either financial accounting or cost accounting, which is used by the management for decision making, is called management accounting. Social accounting, where business communicate to the society about the social and environmental aspects or effects on the society. Definition of cost accounting. Cost accounting is defined as a systematic step of procedure for recording and reporting measurement of cost of manufacturing concern. Please highlight this point. This is for the manufacturing of goods or performing services in aggregate and in detail. Cost accounting is the technique and process of ascertainment of cost. I would like to highlight some point. First, cost accounting is used for the manufacturing concern, means those businesses who are engaged in the manufacturing of goods or services, they need to prepare cost accounting. Cost accounting will give you the total cost per unit cost in the aggregate manner as well as in detail. Aggregate means when you ascertain the total cost, but in detail, like how much is the material cost. Material is further divided into direct material or indirect material, like fixed cost, variable cost. There are so many detailed aspects of cost that we will study in the later on. Generally, people get confused about the cost, costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy. They used these terms as a synonym, but they are not synonym to each other, but they are related to each other. So first we will discuss about the cost. Cost in the short term is sacrificed resources to obtain something, or monetary term of resources. Like for preparing something, if I used material of rupees 100 and labor of rupees 50 and overhead of rupees 50, like 100 material, 50 labor and 50 overhead. So I sacrificed 200 rupees to manufacture a product. So the cost of the product is 200. 100 for the material, 50 for the labor and 50 for the overhead. So cost is sacrificed resources to obtain something. Costing is the process of determining cost. So please underline this point. Costing is a process, but cost is the monetary aspect of something. Cost accounting is a technique to assist management in establishing various budget, standard or cost. So cost is the monetary aspect, costing is the process, cost accounting is the technique, and cost accounting, which is a broader term, it involves cost, costing and cost accounting. And cost accountancy is a branch of accounting which is based on some principles. So when we talk about the scope of cost, costing, cost accounting or cost accountancy, the broader is the cost accountancy, which covers cost, costing and cost accounting. Let us look at the difference among these: costing, cost accounting and cost accountancy. Costing is concerned with the ascertainment of cost, whereas cost accounting is concerned with the recording of cost, and cost accountancy is concerned with the principal, techniques or methods of cost adopted by the businesses. Scope: costing has a very narrow scope, cost accounting narrow scope, and cost accountancy is the wider in scope. Costing begins where accountancy ends, cost accountancy begins where costing ends, and cost accountancy is the starting point of costing system. For costing we need a cost accountant, for cost accounting we need cost clerk, and for cost accountancy we need cost as well as management accountant. So that's all for today's lecture. Thank you.